especially to our beloved mentors, teachers, and fellow Rogationist students. We are here today not only to represent our campaign, but to present the plans and actions that we want to bring to our RAD community. Our platforms are built around three simple values: Aral, Asal, and Dasal. With these values in mind, we have created platforms that focus on academics, discipline, cleanliness, student welfare, facilities, school spirit, and community involvement. So today, allow us to share our actions that we. First platform is we have the Dress Right, Do Right. So we know that wearing complete school uniform and ID is part of our responsibility, right? As Rogationist student. So instead of creating a system na murag pure na punishment, we want to create a system that promotes accountability with while allowing students to correct their mistakes. A progressive uniform accountability system for students who come to school without a complete prescribed uniform and or ID. So we propose a color-coded card system. So that is the layout sa atong colored card system. First violation is green card, followed by blue, yellow, red, and black. Each card corresponds to a specific cleaning responsibility. Green starts with the guardhouse area and the first instance of incomplete uniform. Then blue moves to the guardhouse pathway kapag ang same student is nag-repeat of another violation. And then yellow covers the pavilion if repeated na pud ang action nga wala nagsuot og uniform, and red covers the front of the campus kung wala na gyapon nagsuot og uniform, and black if persistent non-compliance. So ang hinluan na ana is whole campus. So kung mangutana mo kung kano sa hinluan, kung naamay kanang part nga ma-apply ni siya after classes. So after completing the assigned task, the student receives a small token of appreciation. So ano ni siya, mga team merits, whether from Father Vitale, Busio, Aveni, or Drago. And the most important of this system is the reset system. So if the student returns to a proper uniform or maintains proper compliance for an entire school week, their sanction level returns to square one. So we don't want students to feel permanently labeled of a mistake. We want them to learn, correct, and move forward. Of course, the implementation, aning a sanction, especially the scope of cleaning responsibilities, will be coordinated with the administration na para ma-ensure ang reasonable, safe, and consistent school policy. Next sa ato mamang platform is ang peer tutoring network. So we know that every student has just different strengths and different areas na kailangan nila og tabang. To better understand these needs, every Rogationist student will take a general assessment covering mathematics, science, and English. This assessment is not meant to rank or embarrass students. Its purpose is to identify areas where students may need additional academic support. So the grade level SSG representatives will help organize the results and coordinate with appropriate subject mentors. Students who may benefit from additional support will then be privately offered peer tutoring. If they agree, we will match them with appropriate peer tutor based on their subject and learning needs. And if a student declines tutoring, we will respect that decision. We can still provide reviewers, learning materials, or other appropriate support. Through this platform, we want to create an environment where asking for academic help isn't something to be ashamed of. Because one student learns, then help another student learns. The whole community grows. Next sa ang platform is the Zero Littering Campaign. We want to address the cleanliness of the school by not only telling students to stop littering, but by making proper waste disposal easier and more consistent. So one of our proposals is to provide additional strategically placed trash bins in areas where waste commonly accumulates. We also want every section to take greater responsibility for their classrooms and surroundings. So as nakita ninyo dira sa picture, di ba puno nagbasura ang basurahan. So we don't want that. Kailangan nato nga daghan tag basurahan diri sa whole campus kay para ang students is madisiplinar po nga makalabay sila basura dito nga place. To help address flies and mosquitoes, sections may use safe, school-approved repellents, such as properly prepared lemongrass-based solutions. So, mana siya insect repellent measures. What if ang student is na ay asthmatic siya o di kaya kanang kanang allergic. So, magnita mi ana og way. Inyo alaming inform. Next is borrow and return. We all have moments na kanang na kanang murag kulangan ta sa gamit. So mao na siya ang purpose sa borrow and return. So ang available items nato is the pens and pencils, erasers and rulers, other basic school supplies, and umbrellas during sudden rain. So paano ma-apply ni? Na ay logbook. Dito ninyo butang yung pangalan, section, grade level, and the item may borrowed. Next is bright and fresh comfort rooms. So dire murag na-apply na po tong sa zero littering kay na ay sanitary waste bins. And then of course sa tuang CR is wala di ba tay hand hygiene, wala tay sabon, wala tay alcohol, wala tay necessary needs dira. So naatay available soap kung ma-apply man ni siya nga platform. Then project mirror pod kay ang mirror sa girls CR is dili kayo na siya klaro, and then the lighting pod. Next is the cleanliness ranking. Kani siya na-apply na ni siya previous years pa, di ba? So, i-apply na po ni siya balik na mo to conduct the cleanliness of the school. Then, last but not the least is the care. So, care, mao ni siya ang murag discovering the talents, friendly competitions, and more activities to build friendship sa atoang school community. And then, mao to, ang amuang platform is guided by the Aral, Asal, and Dasal. So, paano man mag-funding ang amuang mga platform or programs? We have a simula nga kanang page name tara. And then how the fundraising works. So, mangita mi og mga people nga gusto mag-donate og mga bagay nila, and then amua to siyang ibutang dito sa amuang marketplace, and then we sell it. So, kinsa mga people nga pwede mag-donate, pwede outsiders, pwede po diri gikan sa school. So, ang magpalit po, pwede po gikan sa outside, pwede po gikan diri sa inside. And then, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Hannah G. Pacalor, for such a well-informed platform. Now may I call in